शेयर करूँ? Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn about the chapter number 9. See, I have finished the square and square roots as well as the cube and cube roots. In the meanwhile, we have finished the previous chapter also. What is that? Data handling. So, you have an examination on 31st of this month, that is the periodical assessment paper. So, in that paper, because we couldn't be able to finish our required syllabus, we are not actually, there are so many breaks for our maths class. That's why only because of that, whatever the chapters we were finished, try to learn them properly. From these 3 chapters only you will get the question paper. Okay, understand? So, today we are now I am going to see if anyone is having any doubts, you can ask me regarding cube and cube roots. Whatever the homework I am giving relating to these chapters in your workbook, try to solve those sums. Then only you will be perfect in learning cube and cube roots as well as the square and square roots. If you are unable to solve these sums at this age, for the next year you may get the advanced syllabus only. No one is ready to teach you how to find out the square and square roots as well as the cube and cube roots. In LKG only we can learn the ABCD. You can think afterwards I can learn. When you will go to the UKG, then they will teach bat, cat and rat. No one is ready to teach you A and B. Understand or not? That's why try to do whatever the sums are there in your workbook. There is no need to give again. If Sundari madam forgot, she didn't give us any homework, it doesn't mean. See, homework means what? You have to do the sums. How much sums you can do, that much perfect you will become in your math subject. And this is my advice, not only to you, to my sons also I am saying the same thing only. Understand, this is only simple by practice only anybody can learn maths. Without practice you couldn't learn. But what is the major problem of nowadays children? Actually you don't want to spend some time while doing the maths. Other subjects, if you are studying for 1 or 2 times, you can remember that. That's why you can do that. But maths, whether you study the other subjects or not, every day if you are sitting for 1 hour, see, no teacher is bad, all are teaching good. I corrected so many notebooks today, actually previous periodical assessment notebooks, so many children were done properly. Actually they had written all the answers, everything is properly. It means those teachers were also teaching very nicely. I understood one thing. But why some children are not getting marks? It means a lack of practice. It's the only fault is in you only. Understand? So try to do. How much practice you are doing in maths, that much only you can learn. So what today I am going to tell you, because we are having so many chapters, that's why you study whatever the examination syllabus, you do practice at your home. But we are going to start the new chapter. Now I am going to start the new chapter. That is not the 8th chapter. 8th chapter, after finishing your examination, periodical assessment, we will learn about it. But today I am going to start the 9th one. Okay. Afterwards we will finish the 8th chapter. Okay. 9th one, algebraic expressions and identities. So today what are the expressions? Now see, today we will learn what are expressions. Okay, that is, what is the meaning of the expression? See, algebraic expressions means what? These expressions are known as the algebraic expressions. So simply you can say them as expression also. See, this is an algebraic expression. This is also and this one is also an algebraic expression. It means what? You can understand. See, here constant numbers are also there, just like as 2, -7, as well as 3 and 2. Simply if you are having numbers in them, they are known as the constants. What they are known as? Constants. Along with the numbers, if you are having the alphabets, just like as ABCD, anything, any alphabet, there is no need that it should be X and Y only. Understand? So any alphabet you can get. See, in here X plus 2. 2 is a constant number and x is known as the variables. What? X is the name of the x is variable. Here also see in this expression 2p, this is actually monomial. It means it has only one expression only actually. It has only, it means one expression only, one term only. It is not expression, this is having two terms x plus 2. See 2p is also single term it has, so it is known as monomial. So this is also an algebraic expression only. So whatever the numbers that are there in your expression, these numbers are known as the constants, and what are the alphabets you are having in your expression, those are known as the variables. See, so the value of expressions changes with the values chosen for the variables. See for example, everybody look at here, variables actually I am saying the value of x is, see first we will take the first expression, that is x plus 2. So here I had given you that the value of x is, values of x is, x ka values, what are the values of x is 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? So the value of expression, so what should be the value of this expression? If x is equal to 1, then the value of this expression is equal to 3. If you got x as 2, then the value of this expression is 4. If we are going to take 3 as x, then the value of this expression is 5. If we have taken 4 as the value of x, then x plus 2 means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So what you can understand after seeing all these solutions, see the value of expression with the changes, whatever the value of expression is there, that may changes with the values chosen for the variables. Here in this expression, see x is the variable and 2 is the constants. X is the variables, x is the variables and 2 is the constant number. So this expression's value, how can it changes? See, it depends on the value of the expression may changes, depends on the value of the variables. So here if x value is 1, then the value of the expression became 3. If x is 2, then the value of the expression is 4, in that way. So always the value of expressions changes with the values chosen for the variables. Understand? So next what we have to see, number line and expression, and how you can, and next what we are going to learn, see number line and expression. Number line and expression, consider the expression x plus 5. In number line actually you might have been learned how to show off the numbers through the how to solve any sums through the number line. Also you can do some sums when you were learning addition and subtraction, when you were a small kid, at that time you learned how to find out the value of the given sum. 1 plus 2, how to get the value of 1 plus 2 in a number line, in that way. See, this is the number line, everybody might have been learnt about this in your childhood. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in that way. I am telling you at primary stage, not at this level. First you should know, you might have, you should remember what you learnt in your childhood, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I am asking you, if the that is 5 minus 1, then what you can do, from 5 onwards you should come up to 1. So how many steps you have taken? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is the value of 5 minus 1? That is 4. You might have been learnt it in your primary level when you were studying first or second standard. In those days actually everybody might have been learnt about this steps. Okay. But now how we can show off an algebraic expression or an expression in a number line, that's we are going to learn today. Okay. So everybody look at here, that is so everybody now look at here. Here one expression was given, that is x plus 5. How can you show it in a number line? How can you show it? See, this is the number line, है ना? Number line we are writing starting from on a O. So, what is the value of the x? Nobody knows, because that is a variable. It is not a constant number. The value of x may be 1 or 2 or 3, anything it may be. So, nobody can know, nobody knows what is the value of that expression. So, you think, see, now what you can see, think this is the value of x. X is from here to here onwards, O to x, you know, this is the value of, it means x is from, this is the value of x, and x plus 5, 5 is located after x. If you have taken 5 steps, it is near to p, है ना. So, this is the value of 5. In this way, you can show x may be anywhere on the number line, but it is defined that the value of x plus 5 is given a point, है ना. But in your textbook what they had given, see, the value of the x they had given here as the value of x. This was given at a point, and the value of 5 was given at the point P. So, you can show it in this way. In the same way, if they had given, है ना, this is the x plus 5, x minus 4, then what you can do, see here also actually what they can say, x minus 4, then here may be the x, and here on the left side of the x the value of 4 may lie. Understand or not? This is x and here may be 4. It means x minus 4. Understand? In that way you can write. This is the way to show off the value of the algebraic expression in a number line. Understand? Is anyone is having any doubts? Hello? See, next one, the position of 4x. See, here what they are asking you, one more algebraic expression is also given here. What about the position of 4x and 4x plus 5? Here 4x and 4x plus 5. So, here see they had given on the number line, they had given that here the first one is the here from 0, it is O, from here to this is the position of x here. So, what about the 4x? This is the value of x. What about the 4x means x 4 times, है ना. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and along with it actually we have to add 5 to it. So, from here we are adding 5. Understand? So, actually this one is not that much important how to write on the number line to learn, but these are the basics, na, that's why I am telling you. Understand or not? See, x was jumping 4 times, 4x means x again so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times plus 5, it means after jumping 4 times this is the x, this one. So, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 x's were here plus 5. In that way you can show the algebraic expression on a number line. Next, see, in an algebraic expression we should know what are the terms and factors and coefficients. What are the terms, what are the terms, factors and coefficients? In this expression we should know what are the terms, factors and coefficients. See, if you have taken a expression like 4x minus 8, yeah, otherwise 7x minus plus 3 or 9a minus 12. Anything, these are, so this is an expression. In them this expression is made up of, see, in every expression this is made up of with 2 terms. What are the 2 terms? First one is the 4x and second one is the 8. 2 terms are here, 1 and 2, and in 7x plus 3 also 2 terms are there. This is 1 and this is 2. and 9a minus 12. Here also you have two terms. 9a is one term and minus 12 is one term. है ना? These are known as the terms. It means terms are added to form expressions. Actually, expressions are formed when we are adding terms. Whether they are 2, 3, 4, 5, any, how many, actually countless, you know, so many terms may form one expression. So, in every expression, whatever the expression is there, every expression is formed with terms. And one term is actually, what is the meaning of the term? Term is a product of the factors. What is the meaning of the C? Expressions formed with terms. You know, every expression, here I told you 4x plus 3, 8 is an expression. Here two terms are there, 4x and 8, as well as 7x plus 3 is also an expression. It is also made with two terms. These are 7x plus 3, and 9a minus 12, this is also an expression. It is also made with two terms. One is 9a and the second one is the minus 12. Understand or not? So, expressions formed with terms. So, this is an expression, it formed with the terms, and terms are the product of factors also. Factors. So, first thing everybody should remember, what is the meaning of the factor? See, what are the factors of the 4? So, what are the factors? Means one is a factor to every number, isn't it or not? In one table you can divide any number with 1, you can multiply any number with 1, isn't it or not? So, in every number is coming into one table. So, 1 is also a factor to every number. And what are the other factors for 4? 2 2s are 4. So, 2 is a factor for 4. And in which other table 4 is coming? 4 1s are 4. So, 4 is also a factor. Understand or not? So, terms means here I have taken the term 4x. So, what are the factors for 4x? You can get the factors for 4x is equal to 1 may be a factor, and as well as x may be is also, x is here, that is x may be a factor. Okay. Why I am telling, so x into 4 is 4x, as well as 4 is also a factor, isn't it or not? So, these are the, in fact, terms are a product of factors. Understand or not? The expression here, see, one expression is there, 4x plus 8, and it has two terms, and the term 4x is the product of 1 x and 4, as well as, but here it is the product of x and 4 only, you know, 4x had given that side, and the numerical factor of a term is called the numerical coefficient or the coefficient. See, here in 4x, here this is the variable, है ना? Numerical means number should be there, isn't it or not? So, what is the numerical factor here? That is 4 is the numerical factor in this term. So, what is its name? It is known as the numerical coefficient or simply coefficients. It is known as numerical coefficient or simply coefficients. So, now you might have been got some idea. Now, if you have taken plus 9y, in them what is the term? 9y is a term. This is the product of the two factors 9 as well as y. And what is the coefficient in 9y? What is the coefficient in 9y? 9 is the coefficient in 9y. And what is the variable in 9y? Y is the variable in 9y, as well as what is the constant number in that? 9 is the constant number. Understand or not? And what are the factors of 9y? 9 and y are the factors also. And what is the term? 9y is a term. Understand or not? See, and terms of factors and coefficient. Now we are going to learn about the terms, factors as well as the coefficients. See, now I am telling you again we are going back. Look at here. 8y plus 25 है ना. Here this is, what is this? This is an expression. What is this? It is an expression. Expression may be, actually it may have variables as well as the constant numbers. Here 8 and 25, these two are the constants and y is the variable है ना. Next, this is an expression, and what are the terms are there in this expression? Two terms are there. 8y is a term, 2y is a term. Understand? 25 is a term. Two terms are there, 8y and 25. Understand? And I told you the terms may formed by the actually these are the product of the factors. See, you can say simply, you can write 8y as the, actually 8y means it has, how actually we got 8y, it is the product of two factors. They are 8 and y, 8 into y. Understand? And 25 also we can write in this manner, 25 into 1. Can we write it or not? So terms means what? They are the product of the factors. Factors means what? And today what we learned first, what is expression, afterwards what are terms, and what are the factors. So what are the factors means, for getting 8y, which two numbers were multiplied? 8 and y. So these two are known as factors. What are these two are known as factors. What are the factors of 8y? 8 is one factor and y is also one factor. Because, understand or not? And what are the factors of 25? So you can say 25 one factor as well as 1 also one factor. Just now I told you to every number 1 is also one factor. 1 and the same number are factors. To every number 1 and the same number are the two factors to each number, every number. Understand? So now you might have got an idea about the expression, terms and factors. So what is next? What is the third one? That is coefficients. What is the meaning of coefficients? Coefficients means whatever the numerical values are there, you know. For example, in 8y, what is the numerical value here? Actually, this is the variable. This is the numerical value. This numerical value 8 is known as the coefficient or numerical coefficient. It is known as, 8 means number, numerical means number. So in 8y, 8 is known as the coefficient or numerical coefficients. Understand? So today what is the expression, terms, factors and coefficient. Everybody might have been got an idea. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So now what we can we have to learn, and one more point that we have to learn, that is what are monomials, binomials and polynomials. Next chapter 115. So okay, in the next class we will continue the remaining portion of this lesson. Everybody listen properly, practice square and square root, cube and cube roots, as well as the data handling also. You will get these 3 chapters for your periodical assessment. So work hard, then you can do properly, because so many children are actually half of the children got some idea, but so many children couldn't be able to understand actually how to draw the, what is the difference between the, what is the meaning of the quadrilaterals. Understand? That's it. Okay, thank you.